In your web browser, connect a Smart View on your Security Management or Domain Management server. Click the plus tab and enter Cyber in the search box. Double-click Cyber Attack View Gateway. Enter a report period, for example, last 365 days. Under Attacks Allowed by Policy, double-click on the Host Scanned by Attackers widget. In the top Scanned Hosts widget, search for hosts that are not supposed to be connected to the outside world, for example, a server that is unknown to you. It might be this host here. Right-click and filter on the IP address. The IP address is placed in the search box. Based on your network segmentation and topology, a whole class of IP addresses could be related to servers. For this reason, to see the top detected attacks on the same network segment, replace the last octet with a wildcard. The top Scanned Hosts widget shows the scanning took place from the same IP address. The top Scanners widget shows the service used, while the top Protections widget shows the type of scanner used, and the timeline shows when the scans occurred. Return to the upper level Cyber Attack Gateway view. In the Attacks Allowed by Policy widget, click on Directly Targeted Hosts. Directly targeted means exploits were launched against specific IP addresses. Look at the top detected attacked hosts on the Network widget for the most attacked hosts. Pay attention to the names of the vulnerabilities. For example, the host we filtered for had this Apache exploit run against it. This does not mean that the host is an Apache server, only that this exploit was used in the attack. If this was the only exploit run against it, the name of the exploit may help you identify the host. Even if the host is an Apache server, the log widget does not tell you if the attack succeeded. To find out if the attack succeeded, perhaps as part of a persistent bot infection, copy the IP address of the host into the Cyber Attack Gateway view and see if the IP address appears in the Infected Hosts widget. If so, go to the attacked host on the network. If the host is infected, start remediation. If the host is not infected, get the version number of the software installed on the host and make sure it's running the recommended patches. In the Cyber Attack Gateway view, note that the attack was only detected by the policy and allowed to take place. In Smart Console, Threat Tools, go to your IPS protections and switch the action on the signature to Prevent. In summary, you should search for exposed servers, understand the exploits run against them, and act accordingly.